Don't give up on me! Don't give up on me!
The head.
Ito. It's okay. It's okay.
Kapit lang. Huwag na ako nagtulog.
Magpapakabait ka, ha? Gusto mo kapag tapos ka ng law, gusto ko maging abogado ka. Kahit wala na ako.
Bakit ka nagpapaalam mo? Don't talk like that, okay? Please, mabubuhay ka ba? Mabubuhay ka ba? Mabubuhay ka ba?
Patawarin mo ako kung hindi ako naging mabuting ama sa'yo. At least, hindi ako kasi sama ni Leonard.
Tito! Kapit lang.
Please, okay? Don't talk like that, okay? Kailangan mo kita! Kailangan mo kita!
Tulong!
Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita.
No.
Yung ulo.
Sugar.
Yan na. Bigyan mo lang yung dito.
Salamat.
What is she still doing here?
Ano bang sinasabi mo, Yana? Siyempre, nandito ako para bantayan ka.
Wala akong pakialam, okay? Ayoko nang makita yung pagmumukha mo.
Yana, nagmamagandang loob lang si Sugar.
I don't care!
Yana.
She is the reason why Dad got shot.
May emergency sa room 1109. Pakitawagan si Doc.
That's my dad's room. Wait, nurses, my dog, okay? Bakit po emergency? Can you at least tell me what's happening?
Sakit lang naman.
Can you just please tell me something? Kung di kakasuhan ko kayo lahat, ano gusto niyo makasuhan ng medical malpractice or negligence?
Yana,
Can you just please tell me something already? Ano ba?
Yana.
Hayaan mo muna gawin nila yung trabaho nila. Yana!
Dad!
Yana!
I'm so sorry to say this to you. Your father suffered cardiac arrest, and despite our efforts to resuscitate him, his heart stopped, and we are unable to revive him.
No.
I'm sorry.
No. Dad, wake up to me. Daddy!